Good morning, children.
Good morning, Michelle.
Okay, how are you this morning?
We are fine, thank you.
Are you ready now?
Yes, we are.
Okay, I have set of words here. Then try to read the words properly and correctly. Okay, so everybody?
Bad. Bat. Bat. Mat. Hat. Sat. Man. Jam. Bad. Dad. Tab. Bat. Hat. Sap. Fun. Lad. Rad.
Okay, good job. Okay, so you have to listen this morning very carefully and let me lend your ears because we are going to discuss those following words. Okay, so I have here some instructions. So try to listen carefully so that you can be able to answer the questions correctly. Okay, so I will be the one to read the instruction. Read and complete each of the following sentences with the appropriate preposition from the parentheses. Okay, write or choose the correct answer. Okay, everybody read the first sentence.
My brother fell asleep down the tree.
Okay, so there is an illustration at the end of the sentence. So what will be our answer? Okay, Bia. May I have Bia.
My brother fell asleep under the tree.
Okay, clap your hands. Very good. Clap your hands to Bia. Okay, so my brother fell asleep under the tree. Okay, what about the second sentence? Everybody read.
The bird sits from the branch.
Okay, what will be the correct answer? If you want to answer, just raise your hand and not say my name. Okay.
The bird sits on the branch.
Okay, very good. The bird sits on the branch. Okay, as you can see in the illustration, the bird is on the branch. Okay, so the third one. Next, everybody read the third sentence.
Judy is round the tent.
Again.
Judy is round the tent.
Okay, may I have Lucy Gwyn?
Judy is in the tent.
Okay, that's awesome. Okay, very good. The Jody is in the tent. Okay, next, the fourth sentence.
The spider is sitting under the wallpaper.
Okay, so the spider is seen under the table. Very good. So the spider, as you can see, it is under the table. Okay, so next. The last sentence, may I want from Jessa?
Libby lays on her bed. Libby lays on her bed.
Okay, very good. Clap your hands to Jessa. Okay, so the correct answer is on the bed. Okay, so very good. You got all the correct answers. Okay, next we have. Okay, so you have here, name the following pictures by filling the missing letters. So, what is the first picture or what can you see about the first picture? Okay, Jessa. What can you see?